Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the step-by-step process of sending an international wire transfer with Chase Bank. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or making a business payment, Chase offers a simple and efficient way to send funds internationally. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Begin by logging into your Chase online banking account. You can do this via the Chase website or mobile app. Ensure you have your credentials handy for a smooth login. Step 2. Navigate to Wire Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Payments and Transfers tab on the main navigation menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Wire Transfer. Step 3. Choose the transfer type. You will see options for domestic and international wire transfers. Choose the International Wire option to proceed with sending money overseas. Step 4. Enter recipient information. You will need to provide the recipient's details, including full name, address, bank address, account number or IBAN, SWIFT BIC code. Double-check this information for accuracy to ensure the funds reach the correct account. Then proceed. Step 5. Input transfer amount and currency. Next, specify the amount you wish to send and select the currency in which the recipient will receive the funds. Be mindful of any currency conversion rates that might apply. Step 6. Review fees and exchange rates. Chase will display the fees associated with your wire transfer as well as the current exchange rate. Review this information carefully. Make sure you are comfortable with the total before proceeding. Step 7. Add a note, optional. If you'd like, you can include a brief note or description regarding the purpose of the transfer. This is optional, but can be helpful for the recipient or their bank. Step 8. Confirm and submit. After reviewing all the details, click on the Continue or Submit button. Chase may ask you to confirm your identity via a security code sent to your registered phone number or email. Step 9. Save confirmation details. Once your transaction is processed, you will receive a confirmation screen with a reference number. Save this information for your records. You can also print or email the confirmation if required. Step 10. Track your wire transfer. You can track the status of your wire transfer through your Chase account. It's important to note that international wire transfers may take a few business days to complete, depending on the destination bank. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. We appreciate your support.